Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about use of hands in delivering a strike to an assailant or an opponent. So this is the last of the video in the series of sheep grow horns. Let's learn how to use the hands very effectively against an attacker. So the first strike is the strike with the finger. The fingers in the eyes, the fingers in the ears, the fingers in the epiglottis is a great tool of strike. So you can use your fingers. Then you have the folded fingers. Folded fingers on the bridge of the nose, folded fingers on the chin, the epiglottis, ear, anywhere causes substantial damage. The third is the fist. Use the first two knuckles to strike. Again, the vital parts of the body. Put your hand in one line, put your hip behind so that it generates a lot of power. And lastly, the heel of the palm. The heel of the palm right on the chin, side of the face, even the nose is a very effective strike. So today we learned how to use our hands effectively in 4 different ways. The fingers, the folded fingers, the punch, and the heel of the palm. So till next time, a very happy new year to all of you. We see you in 2019. Bye-bye.